Hi, good morning guys. Nick here with Kaizink. I wanted to show you one of our quick improvements that I had. So this is one of our scrubbing brushes. When we purchase them, they typically come with the brush, the handle, as well as the pad. And then you use it up, the entire thing gets tossed. So I had an idea to continue to use the handle and just happen to purchase the pads. There's no reason why we should throw away a good handle. So I'll be right back. All right, and we're back. So what I've done here is I've taken some Velcro and just super glued those guys to the handle. So now all you have to do, plug that on, ready to use it. Then when you're done, just take it off, toss it out. Handle stays good, ready for the next one. And that's greatly going to reduce our consumables, right? Because you don't need to purchase the whole thing every time. Because this together is more expensive than just these alone. Thanks, guys.